Hello. Konnichiwa. Magandang hapon. As I told you, I'm having a barbecue today with some Filipinos here. And I saw some kind of food which I don't know. What kind of food is this? What kind of food is this? Anyway.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, this one.
We call that Adidas.
You call it?
We call this Adidas.
Adidas.
Then in Tagalog, adobong
A few
paa.
brand name.
Adobo pang.
Paanang manok. Paanang manok.
Adobong paa.
Adobo paang.
Paanang manok.
Paanang manok.
Yes. How to cook?
So how do you cook it? Adobo paana?
Paanang manok.
Paanang manok.
Yes, yes.
So how do you make it?
How do you make it? You first. Ito na.
By marinating.
By marinating for toyo,
What is toyo?
toyo, soy sauce,
Soy sauce and
and vinegar.
vinegar,
Yeah. Black pepper,
black pepper,
garlic.
garlic,
Yes.
and
Si Consa nakawin.
garlic and what?
Yung soy sauce ng yung Nor Magic ba yun?
Nor sauce.
Masarap yun eh.
Nor
No?
magic sauce.
No, no, the cubes.
No. Not cube. So, Philippine Nor. Toyo. Calamansi Nor.
Calamansi.
Yeah, calamansi Nor. From Philippines.
Calamansi it's like the lemon, the small one,
Yes. Lime.
lime like. And
And
what else?
that's it.
That's it.
Yes.
So for how long do you have to marinate it?
How long? 30 minutes.
Naka-live yan.
30 minutes only.
For how long do you marinate it?
How long? 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Only that? Hindi yung ano ba tawag yung pressure cooker? Ibo-boil mo yun. How long do you need to marinate?
To marinate.
I think one night.
One night?
Yes, one night.
One night, and you put in a fridge? In a fridge.
Very beautiful.
So, and how do you cook?
How do you cook?
Do you use like a
Adobo.
like adobo?
Yes.
But do you use like
Bawang.
pressure cook? Pressure cook?
Pressure to cook 30 minutes only.
Pressure cook 30 minutes.
Yeah.
How about if not pressure cook?
I don't know. Maybe 1 hour.
1 hour.
Then,
So you have to keep like checking if it's
the taste or yung what you call it, yung lasa, di ba? You must to keep because of your taste become good taste. Okay? Okay. And then,
because of your taste become good taste.
yes. Okay.
I like that. Okay.
Yes. And then, baby girl, you
Because
play.
because of your taste become good
Okay,
taste.
that's it.
I like it.
Pag alam mo na good taste na yung mo, so
You can
finish na. Yeah.
Finish.
Diba? Depends your tasting. Diba?
Your
So,
tasting.
for example, if the taste is not enough, do you add like salt
Yeah.
or more soy sauce?
Yeah.
And then, if no enough, you put Adidas.
Adidas?
Yes. You put Skechers. Yes. Then also you put Tommy and also Fila. Then Nike become adobong paanang manok. It's good, very tasty. Okay?
All right, thank you for that. I like
Yes, babe.
Filipino food. Do you know that?
Yeah, I know.
So I'll try to make this one.
Yeah.
But in Japan, where can I get this one?
Yeah.
Hanamasa?
Yeah.
Yes.
You can find that in Hanamasa.
You also can cook the pig feet.
Pig feet?
Yes, you can also cook that.
yung pit ng manok.
Also the pet ng manok. You know, the pet ng manok is like this. If you eat this,
I know this one.
this one is chicken, chicken
Chicken booty.
chicken buri?
Yeah, this is chicken
I
booty.
thought, oh my God, this is chick. So also what this? What this is? Also what did you? How do you cook this? How do you
How
cook
do you cook this one?
the asshole of chicken?
Same,
Yeah.
but if you say same, do you have to marinate?
Yeah.
No marination, right?
No, they have to marinate.
This one?
No marinating.
No marinating?
No marinate.
Just only you
I think this one is just salt and
Ano
pepper.
yan, binoil ko lang sa ano. Yeah, maybe salt and pepper.
Salt and
sa
pepper.
ano
soy
sa toyo at suka.
Salting.
Yeah.
Salting.
Yeah, I tried to make this one by using salt and pepper only.
Yes. And
Right?
yes. Yeah. Don't too much put, babes. Don't too much put soy sauce.
Don't put too much.
Oh, yes. Become black also.
Show my face.
It become
Oh my God. Yeah. Yes. Okay, kampai.
Kapay.
Yeah.
Where is my? Oh, here it is.
Yeah.
Alright. Anyway, thank you for teaching me how to make this one.
Yes.
But what's the name again?
Paa ng manok. Adidas.
Paan ng manok, Adidas.
Can call also Nike.
Nike.
Yes. Fila.
Fila.
Yeah. Also Tommy shoes.
Tommy
also,
shoes.
Yes.
Cheers. Thank you. Salamat po.
Walang anuman, babe.
Okay. Oh.